Today we're dealing with a classic case of an obstructed ureterovesical junction stone. So, ang ureterovesical junction stone, ganito siya. Ito yung bato na nag-lodge doon sa junction ng ureter going to the bladder. Kasi, like I always say, yan yung pinakamasikip na part ng daluyan ng ihi sa katawan ng tao, sa genitourinary system, male or female. So, classically, dyan sa stuck yung bato. So, sa CT scan, classic mo siyang makikita. Ganyan. Going to the bladder, focus tayo dito. Going to the bladder, yan. Yung puti na yan. Yan yung ureterovesical junction. Sa kabila, tayo lang, identify ba natin? Ito yung ureter going here. So, may connection. Wala siyang bara. Pero sa kabila, ureter going down, biglang may puti. So, meron siyang bato sa ureterovesical junction. What we need to do is go in and remove that stone using laser or pneumatic lithotripter. Pag natanggal yan, marirelieve yung obstruction. Makikita natin na yung kidneys marirelieve from pressure. So, less or virtually wala na yung pain ng patient. So, sa patient na ito, makikita ninyo, ang daming, marami siyang ibang stone. Ayan. Marami siyang ibang calcification sa kidney. Basta may puti-puti, ayan, yung puti na yan, that's stone or calcification. Yan pa, mukhang Randall's plaques. So, marami siyang sources ng stone. Bandang huli, pwedeng mag-migrate ulit yung stone na yan pababa at ma-stuck na naman sa ureterovesical junction. But now, we will address first yung main problem, which is the ureterovesical junction stone. Hindi muna natin goal na gawing stone-free agad itong kidney. That's for another time. Yung emergency muna yung gagawin natin. Most probably sa ganito, i-offer ay retrograde intrarenal surgery. Laser pa rin. Okay. So for now, we'll have to remove this one, this stone using laser lithotripsy. So we'll use a very thin endoscope and go inside and remove the stone.